Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ford F-150 Super Crew Platinum 4x4 with the lift kit on it. And that EcoBoost engine is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. So it does have the LED headlights rounds, and if they appear to flicker at all, that's only in the camera. It doesn't do that to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. You see that it does have the tow hooks up front, fog lights, alloy wheels, got the off-road tires, power deploying running boards. Because this is a Platinum, it will have all the upgrades such as adaptive cruise. There's your tow package right there. So it does have a power sliding back window. Go ahead and open this back door and I'll show you those power running boards. There we go. These rear seats are heated, as you see there, and you also have a 110 volt outlet right there. And keypad entry, 3 driver presets. Here's your VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well. And then your seat controls, that center button right there shows you have massage seats. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 29,890 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your push to talk, your cruise control, your stereo controls, and then your trip computer controls there. Got your push button start, 2 and 4-wheel drive. Then you come down here and you'll see that you have both cooled or heated front seats. Okay, as you come up here, here are your other climate controls, your Bluetooth, your audio, which your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, and then your navigation, then your apps and settings. And if you wanted to see the backup camera, you just pop it in reverse. There we go. Okay, and as you come down, you're going to see that you have 2 USB ports right here. There's your forward shifter, select shift, and then you've got your cup holders. And then this is your key fob, and it has remote start on it. You can also drop your tailgate with it. Okay, and that's additional stowage. You also have a 110 volt outlet right here along with the 12 volt. Coming up, you also have your sunglasses holder, your map reading lights, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system, as it shows right there. And that about wraps it up for this F-150 Platinum on the interior. Now it does have a lift. I don't know exactly how many inches it is right off the top of my head. But this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front that affected the front driver quarter panel to the passenger front quarter panel, and then in the rear center. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.